Here, Kyle. Here, Kyle. Here. Oh, come on now. That's enough. Rudy, leave it. Hi, my buddies. You're tangling them all up, bud. You're tying up Rudy. Yeah, you're tying up Rudy. Yeah. Hi, sweet pea. Come here, you can't go that far. Alice. Hi, Kyle. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, look at him. He's jumping on me. Oh, my goodness. Can you sit? Good boy. Good sit. That's a good dog. Yeah. Holly. Where'd Alice go? That's no fair. She's not on a string, is she? Yeah, she's not on a string. You want to go get her, don't you, Kyle? Go get that puppy. Go get that puppy. What do we got? Huh? Kyle, come here. Come on. Atta boy. Oh, duck. Hi, Holly. Hi, sweetie. Look what a good girl she is. Coming to me. What a good girl. Look at this man coming right to me. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Easy. Easy, easy. Oh, Kyle loves Rudy. You love Rudy, don't you? You do. Yeah.